guys, so welcome to another vlog. So this is actually my first time using my new Osmo Pocket 3. So ayan, kakauwi lang natin ng work, but what we're going to do is to actually start packing. So this is actually my first vacation this year officially. So my last vacation was when I went back home to the Philippines and also went to Hong Kong. And also, the reason why I went to the Philippines that time is I did get an award from my alma mater. And then I took a side trip to Hong Kong, and that was back in November. So this is my first official flight this 2024. So half of the year na, and then ngayon pa lang tayo mag-travel. So I'm glad I got this Osmo Pocket 3 that would make my recording easier, and hopefully please continue to watch all my videos. So keep watching, guys. Hi, Molly and Cody. You're so cute. Oh, I will miss you. You too. So cute. And guys, oh, wait lang. Ayan. So, we're gonna start packing my stuff. So, I start putting the stuff that I needed, and then labo-labo pa siya. So my backpack, my flip-flops, my passport, my wallet, some cords and charging stuff. Ayan. Ayan guys. Kita niyo ba ako? Ayan. Ayan. So tayo ay mag-i-impake na. So ito, kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, maganda ba? Ayan. So, parang pang beach lang siya. Pang tropical. And then, my other slippers. And then, ito nga guys, so of course, mayroon akong maliit na bag. So, nakita niyo na to in my previous videos. So, okay lang na may maliit na bag. And then, of course, yung aking mga clothes, mga summer clothes. Ayan. And then, mga t-shirt and other stuff. And then here, let's see. So, dadaling ko na rin tong beach bag. This was from Atlantis when we went to Dubai. So, gagamitin natin siya doon sa Mexico. So, when we're in the pool or by the beach, we have like a nice bag to put our stuff, right? And then, ito mga swim shorts natin. Yung mga shorts. And then, meron din akong maliit na bag in case we need a little, bum bag. And then, my shoes dito. Meron din akong dalang beach bag. I'm not sure. Pero at least this is water resistant bag. Diba? And then, of course, my undies. I have a nice pair of shoes from Gucci na we can use for nice dinner. Because sometimes, yung mga ibang restaurants doon, they do have attire. So, we don't want to be super, underdressed. And of course, my undies are here in this little pouch. So, pretty much, medyo nakapag-impake na tayo. I also bought some wipes in case, So, nakapag-impake na tayo. So, maybe I'll put this in my hand carry. So, hopefully, wala na tayong malimutan. So, we'll see, guys, kung ano pang pwede nating dalhin. So, hindi ko alam kung i-hand carry ko to. Siguro i-hand carry ko to kasi malulukot. Tapos, pwede ko na siyang suotin on the way. Diba? So, we'll see kung ano pa ang pwede nating dalhin. But, this is the wallet that I'm going to use. My Guyard. And then, passport. And then, sunnies. This sunnies, I love this. This is from WMP. So, I really love this sunnies. And then, yeah. I-measure na lang din natin to once fully packed so that we're sure na hindi ako overweight. Kasi, of course, I'm planning to buy something from Puerto Vallarta. I'm going pala to Puerto Vallarta in Mexico. So hopefully, I'm very excited. So, nafe-feel ko na siya ngayon. So, I still have work tomorrow. But, early morning ng Saturday, our flight leaves 6 a.m. from Sacramento to LA. And then, LA, I think 2.5 hours na layover. So, we can get some breakfast there. And then, LA to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So, ayan guys. Pala guys, kung mapapansin niyo yung mata ko parang namumula. Kasi I've been using my contact lenses today. Meron akong isang box ng contact lenses na hindi ko pa nagagamit. Kasi lagi ako nag-eyeglasses sa work. So, I wanna make sure I use it before siya mag-expire. So, kaya, gagamitin ko siya. So, I'm not sure kung maganda tong hat na to. So, comment down below. Ayan, guys. And guys, nakita ko rin to. This is from, I think I bought this sa Zara in London. So, dadaling ko na rin siya to Mexico kasi it's good for like, a dinner. Pero, ayoko lang mag-overpack kasi lagi ako nag-overpack tapos hindi ko naman nasusuot. But, I think it's gonna be good for one of the dinners. So, we'll see. Minsan okay na yung maraming damit kesa magkulang. But, of course, sayang yung space kasi mamaya may mabili tayo doon, di ba? So, we'll see. Guys, yung airline pala namin, we're taking American Airlines. So, I forgot when was the last time I took American Airlines because usually it's Southwest or Delta or United if it's US flight. Pero now we're going to Mexico. I think this is my first time using American Airlines outside. Especially going to Mexico. So we've been to Mexico last year. We actually went to, was that place Cabo San Lucas? It was really nice. We enjoyed our time. Oh, yeah, we enjoyed our time. And that was for my actually, we went there last year for my birthday. But we're doing Mexico this year for someone else's birthday. So, ayan guys. So, thank you. So, keep watching guys. Ayan guys. So, part of our travel, sometimes we do order some currency kasi minsan it's better to have it here kasi mas cheaper or mas mababa yung mas palit kasi syempre nasa US ka. So, although they do accept US dollars in a lot of places, but I opted to order some Mexican pesos so that we have money to, pang tip or pang bili man lang. Although we have our credit cards ready, I just have to make sure I have enough cash on hand in case I needed, to tip or, para hindi naman lahat card. So, what I did was I went through Bank of America, yun yung mismong banko ko, and then I ordered currency. I ordered it yesterday, so ngayon nandito na siya. So, we're gonna open it, right? So, let's see. Ayan. Oop. Teka lang. Ayan. So, again, guys, first time kong gamitin tong Osmo Pocket 3. So, bear with me, okay? So, open na natin siya. I'm excited. Although meron akong natirang peso from our last trip, I just want to make sure that I still have enough money. So, ito na siya. So, it comes with in this nice packet. May statement from the bank. Ayan siya. May confidential transaction statement. Ayan. And then, yung money mo is nandito sa clear packet. So, iniwan na lang siya dyan sa labas ng bahay. Hindi naman siya nawala. So, hopefully, okay naman. Oh. Buti nga umabot kasi I was thinking na baka hindi umabot. Sayang naman. Hindi ko naman magagamit yung Mexican peso. So, buti na lang umabot siya at dumating siya today. Very nice! Ito na yung aking Mexican peso. So, maliit lang siya guys. Just enough for mga tip-tip. So, ayan ang kanilang pera. Ang ganda oh. Mexico. Ayan. Tsaka bago talaga yung binigay ng Bank of America. So, very good. I have enough money. Ayan. So, ilalagay na natin siya dun sa wallet na dadalhin ko. So, let's go back to the room. And, anong nangyayari kay Pocket 3? Ayan. Bear with me, guys, kasi syempre, bago pa. Ayan. Ayan. So, lalagay natin siya ulit dyan. Ayan. So, andito tayo sa isang room. So, ilalagay na natin yung pera. May mga natira pa ako last trip. So, andito siya. Ayan. Meron pa akong natirang pera. So, buti may extra tayo. Maganda na yung may extra. Kasi minsan, pag pinapalit nila, kunyari, i-convert nila sa US, syempre, mababa na yung palit ng US doon. Kasi nasa country na nila tayo. So, we are going to save this dito para meron na tayong peso. Ayan. Ayan siya nga pala, itong bag na to, guys. Regalo lang to sa akin ng Christmas. So, this will be my first time using it too. So, first time natin gagamitin tong Louis Vuitton na backpack. I was actually deciding kung yung Gucci or yung Louis Vuitton, pero we'll try to bring this Louis Vuitton sa ating trip sa Mexico. Ayan.